What's up, beautiful people? Thank you so much again for stopping by to the Team Brian. If you're new to our channel, consider subscribing by clicking on that red subscribe button. Let's just take 2 seconds and click on that red subscribe button. Thank you guys. For those who don't know me, my name is Brian. I do videos like this. Welcome again to the Team Brian. So today I want to do a quick review of a Lenovo laptop that I just got. And before we dig into the review, I have a very short story to why I bought this laptop, guys. It may sound funny. Of course, I'm in the living room. Don't mind any background thing. I was not ready for this, like, to decorate my background, but hope it looks dope. Yeah. So let me just tell you a very short story about the laptop. Why I bought this laptop, guys. I had a laptop. It's also a Lenovo, but that down laptop, like, I bought it on second hand, very cheap, and I have used it for almost 2 years now, and it was really helping me. So after the antivirus that I installed in expired, and the laptop was slow in a way that each time I was editing it will hang, and it was really making me hungry. Like, I'm gonna spend like 2 hours in a video that I can edit in 30 seconds, you see. So I was so hungry, and I just hit on the pad, like you're on a computer and you're like hitting it so hard, and not knowing, I had used hitting it, like I used to hit it but nothing happened. But that time I did the worst, like I hit it and it died.
Oh my god! Wow! Oh my god!
It died, guys, like it really died. And after trying to put it on, it goes on, like writes the logo Lenovo, and nothing happens again. And as I tried to do my computer expert things, like nothing was really happening. I decided to take it to the repair shop, and they checked it. They told me the problem is the hard disk, and to repair it I needed like close to $150, and I was like, no, I cannot spend that $150 to repair a laptop. Let me get a new laptop. So I got this Lenovo, and I want to do a full review of this laptop. It's just dope. Very price, like it's affordable, a very good price, very good features. It's one of the latest laptops now. Good really laptop for those people who use the edit. For me personally, I bought this to edit videos and do some other like things that really work. I really need a laptop. Like I cannot pass a day without using a laptop, so I really needed it. So let's dig into the laptop. So this is the laptop, guys. It's called the Lenovo Ideapad 3. Lenovo Ideapad 3. I'm just doing a quick about the laptop, Lenovo Ideapad 3. So this is the box. Like, the box looks like this, comes in a box. I had opened it, so let me just make that disclaimer. I've opened it, and I just try to look at the features, but it's really well packed. Like, Lenovo never disappoint you in packing and all those things. You see, it's Lenovo Ideapad 3. Look, it's really good packed. I opened it, honestly, I opened it. It's a brand new laptop. So we're going to deal into it. We have seen the packing. It's really well packed and well preserved. I thank God for Lenovo. Most laptops have got packed like this, so Lenovo is one of them. You see, it's really well packed. So let's dig into the inside. So we're going to open it. I told you I've already opened it, so nothing new to just tell you about it. So first thing, we are going to remove the laptop inside. So this is basically how it's being packed. This is basically how it's being packed. We really pack it so well. I'm about to drop some things here. So this is how it's being packed. That is how the laptop comes in. Yeah. This is how it's being packed. I had opened it, so don't really worry about that. I had opened it, so this is how it looks, more packed inside. You see both sides. So you're going to open it, silk color, silk and a gold color. Yeah, so I'm going to just dig into inside of it. That's how it looks, guys. It's really a very nice laptop. You can just see it's really packed nicely. So before we dig into much into this, let's finish first with the box, like what's inside. So it comes with an external CD drive. And that is how it looks like. The external CD drive, it's separate here. Of course, that is where you find the charger. And open it, guys, so don't worry. That is where you find the charger. It's this kind of a charger here. You see it? Very nice charger there. Going to put it aside. So here also you're going to find, of course, a lot of manual things. Nobody reads this, honestly, unless you're reviewing or something. Nobody reads that. I don't read that personally. So this is the external CD drive. It looks like that. Yeah, we're going to look into that in a few. So the laptop does not have any external stuff. This is the external CD drive. Looks like that. It's Lenovo. Yeah, the good thing about this, you can use it in any laptop. You can use it in any laptop. It's a very nice idea about that. Like, honestly, I don't like the external laptop being internal in a laptop because it tends to be very delicate and a lot of heat, you know, it increases all those types of heat and everything. For those people who have used a laptop for a long time, you can know what I'm saying, and nothing actually is inside again. It's really, that is over about that. You didn't get any of something. The box is very strong. Very strong box there. So manuals and everything, you can check them there. Put them now. Let's open inside the Lenovo laptop. You see that magic. So we're going to do a lot of review of the display and the design. Very silk, very portable, very official. Look at the back here. Of course, we have the fan. The fan's there. You can check it. Also the inside. It's Windows 10, of course. Intel iCore 3. You can see a very nice Lenovo logo there. Very nice, nicely put Lenovo logo there. Yeah. I don't know if we are on focus, guys. I don't want to mess up this video. I'm gonna put this clear like that. So that is it, guys. You can see it. Behind we have fan. You see it's a very nice, very easy. I think how many? It's less than 1.2 kg or something. Yeah. The other side we have the USB portals. You can see the 3 USB portals and the HDMI. That is the cable you can put there. We have one for the charger, and of course we have one for the earphones. We have for SD card. We have for earphones or headphones or something you can call it. Yeah, so basically that is it, the outside. So let's go to the inside, guys. Are you watching? So let's go to the inside of the this laptop. Now, guys, let's dig into the inside of the Lenovo. Like, immediately you open it, that is the inside of the Lenovo. I don't know if I'm audible, if you can hear me. So basically that is how it looks like, the inside. Then it's going to go on, that is automatically thing. And you can check, like, it's really flexible, like it can go up to there. Yeah, you can see it. Yeah, can go up to there. So after coming on, you can check the pad. The good thing I liked about the pads is that, like, the pads are really strong and the entire interior is strong. Like, they've maintained the color, the silk color, the silk, and it's aluminium kind of. It's called what? Yeah, I hope I'm getting it. Aluminium what? The pads are really strong. You can feel them. There's some laptops, like, immediately you press on the pad, the entire ear shakes. So the good thing about that is really strong. And they're very sensitive, of course. Yeah, that is the good thing. The keyboard is the normal, I think, English keyboard. Yeah, it's the normal English key. And one thing I like about this laptop is that they have put the power button in a good place. Like, the power button is in a good place that is really separate and alone. Most laptops come like here, and it's really weird. Looks really weird. Of course, you can check the display of the inside. It's really nice display. A very nice display. Yeah, and if you try to play along with it, and we're going to also try and play the YouTube stuff. Just play a video. I think one of the videos that I edited. We're going to check about that. So let's try to press Google. Of course, I've not installed the Wi-Fi. I've not connected the Wi-Fi, but it's well connecting. I tried that. See, like, the Chrome has opened, and the YouTube and everything side like that. I don't. The YouTube is opening. Yeah. You don't have connection. I've not connected the Wi-Fi. Like, you can see, like, it's really speed up. Like, the speed is great. It's a good computer to work on with. Then we're going to try and open the other thing, as I told you, is 1 TB. That is the internal space or the RAM, call it ROM or something. Yeah. So let's try and play a video like this video. Try to edit, check the display. Yeah, you can check the display of this video. Like it's really a very nice display. Yeah, you can check it out. See, it's a nice display. Then we try to let me try to play like another big one, like the one I tried to edit. It's a big one. You see, it's nice. Like the display is wow. I don't know if you're able to see there. The display is really wow. You see, really clear, really nice. The resolution, you can feel it, guys. This is it, guys. If you want to go for a cheaper laptop that you can afford, this is it, guys. This is it, guys. Yeah. So the other thing I would like us to check, of course, is the Bluetooth is working. The other thing that we like to check is the other features. You see, like it's really fast. You see, it's really fast responding. You want to try to, like, even if you, for example, want to type and everything, it's really fast responding. The camera, let's also test the camera. Let's test the camera, guys. Let's test the camera. The camera, guys. So I'm going to also test the camera. It comes with 720p camera. So that is another thing I liked about it. Another thing I really liked about it, the camera. Camera is really nice. You see, let me try to open it. You see, it's at 720p. It's really strong enough. Let me try to lighten up. Like you see, like you have a light. How it's going to be with light? Then I'm going to just put it out. Yeah. Let me just increase the display. Then you're going to see what I mean. Like the light is really very strong. And that's one thing also I've liked about it. So basically that is it, guys. That is it about this Lenovo laptop. I think it's one of the nicest laptops so far I have bought, and I think I like it, guys. It's very nice for editing and all this stuff. Like you can check it out. It's really nice. Yo guys, we have come to the end of our video. Tell me what you liked about this particular laptop. It's really a very strong machine. And do you estimate the price? Like how do you think, or how do you feel, or how much do you think the laptop can cost? Of course, it's really budget friendly. On at $500 you have this laptop.
$40,000. I'm rich.
Very budget friendly, one of the most amazing budget friendly laptop. Of course, the logo, the label also is huge. Lenovo, using a Lenovo laptop, guys, it's not a joke. It's really a very good and strong machine, gonna last for long. Thank you guys again for stopping by to the team. Brian, if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing by hitting on that subscribe button. Join our family, like our videos. Don't forget to comment down in the comment section, and I'm really going to appreciate. See you in our next video.